Rocky, this is Brittany. I promised you a short and quick video with some tips on how to optimize your website to get more customers in the door. And you're probably asking why I'm doing this. So I know small business owners are so busy running their own business and taking care of their own customers that they don't have time to learn how to get more customers, and the only thing stopping them is knowing who is an expert and who is not. Now, some people will choose information I share with you in this video and can do it themselves, and some people choose to have me do it for them. Either way is great with me. I just want to educate you and help you guys out with this simple attack plan. So let's get into it. So I'm going to go over 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. And the first thing I would like to go over is content. Right now I'm looking at your homepage, and there's currently only 6 words on your homepage. You definitely want to increase the content that you have here, because content to Google is king, and it gives you authority in Google's eyes. So we recommend 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. I also noticed this is a Squarespace website hosting. We do recommend stronger platforms for ranking purposes, such as WordPress or Snaps. Those will definitely help you rank as well. So yes, just as a recap, 1,500 to 2,000 words is what you want on the homepage. In addition, throughout that content, you definitely want to have some keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. And a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So, as an example, I typed in a great buyer intent keyword at the top of Google search, and I was searching for hardwood flooring installation Chattanooga. This is a great buyer intent keyword because it is service specific. I'm looking for hardwood flooring installation, and it's also location specific in Chattanooga. So you want all these kinds of keywords throughout that content on your website. The first thing that comes up on the search result are these great Google Guarantee local ads that have a really high conversion rate according to data we've collected of about 30 to 50%. For our local city areas. Below that, we have a Google Map Pack, where 30% of consumers will choose one of these top 3 businesses here to do their service. And below that, we have these organic Google search results. Now, 60 to 70% of people will choose their business on one of these here. So, I was looking for a local business, and it's really common that these directories come up like Yelp and Angie. But the first company that is ranking in the top organic search result spot is H&H Flooring. I went ahead and brought them up here on a separate tab, and here they are. So they have some content, not a whole lot here either. They probably have around 200 words or so on their homepage. However, they are doing some great things. I wanted to show you why they are ranking in the top spot. So we've gone over content. Next thing I want to go over are backlinks. So here's a page program called Arrows that I like to use to compare and evaluate websites. And first I'm going to go over these ratings here. We have a DR rating, which is essentially a power rating Google gives to your website, and a UR rating, which is essentially a trust rating. And both of these are raised by something called backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. And these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others pointing to you. So it's kind of like a popularity contest. Here you can see H&H Flooring has 35 referring domains pointing to 218 backlinks. I also noticed that they have really good ratings for trust and power, and both of these are almost the same number, which is what you want to see for a healthy website. Looking at yours, you currently have 5 referring domains and 19 backlinks. So to start getting some traffic on your website, you definitely want to increase the number of backlinks that you have. I don't recommend just meeting the amount that they have at 218. I would recommend raising that as well, maybe to 300 or 350 or so. In addition to that, it is worth noting, however, that not all links are created equal. So the best links you want to have are those that are relevant to your industry and services that you offer, and that are from local websites. Those will be the ones to work the best for you guys. Alright, so we've gone over content and backlinks. Last thing I want to go over are citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in the map pack that I showed you here on our Google search result. This is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. And citations include directories like we saw down here in our search result, Yelp, Angie, there's hundreds of others out there as well. But the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you'll rank above them. Alright, so we've gone over content, backlinks, and citations. One last thing I wanted to show you were the keywords. So H&H Flooring, they currently have 435 keywords that they are ranking for. And because they're doing all these great things here, they're able to get in some pretty good quality traffic to their website every month, where 382 people are clicking on their website. So you definitely want to have those 3 things throughout your website so you guys can start ranking and getting more clicks to your website, which means more services, which means more business, which means more revenue for you. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any feedback, it'd be much appreciated. I just wanted to show this to you to provide you some valuable educational content. I appreciate you allowing me to give this to you today, and I hope it was helpful. Hope you have a great day.